Hola, soy Ruth. I'm doing the Daily Word Builder from Dan Hall's book, The Language Learning Journal. Hoy estamos en página 140. Esta semana estudiamos la palabra cargo, which means the charge, or to be in charge, or to have an office, a job, un empleo, una responsabilidad o un costo. ¿Sí? Hoy, en página 140, we're doing estar a cargo. ¿Sí? Estar a cargo. Por ejemplo, I'm in charge. Yo estoy a cargo aquí. ¿Sí? Or if you want to say, I'm not in charge. Yo no estoy a cargo. What about if you wanted to say any more? You would use ya, which means like still, or so I'm not still in charge. We would say I'm not in charge anymore. Stick it at the front, and then you have ya no estoy a cargo de esto. ¿Sí? You could ask, ¿usted está a cargo aquí? And you could also ask, couldn't you, if you wanted to find out who's in charge, you could say ¿Quién está a cargo aquí? Who's in charge here? See? Or ¿Quién está a cargo de esto? Bien. Now, I've got a question for you. You could say that somebody's in charge of you. Por ejemplo, yo puedo decir que mi hija, my daughter, is in charge of me. She's my boss. Mi hija está a cargo de mí. Don't worry, I fight it. Fight el poder. So, ¿quién está a cargo de ti? You could also say, you're not in charge of me. Tú no estás a cargo de mí. But I want to know in the comments, ¿quién está a cargo de ti? Bien, gracias y hasta mañana.